We're here with captain of the Reggae Boys under 17 team, Ahir Dixon. First of all, congrats on a winning performance. How did it feel to get out there and represent your country today?
Thanks, and it was an honor to represent my country in front of all the fans, and I'm very glad that we came out here and produced the result that they hoped for.
All right, so what do you think you guys would have had to improve upon going forward?
I think we need to improve on the combination in the attacking third. I think we need to be more able to combine with each other and make it easier for each other to get in positions to be able to score easier.
As a defender, you managed to keep a clean sheet against a solid Trinidad team. How does it feel to come out with a clean sheet at the end of this game?
Well, as a defender, that's always one of the goals coming into the match, to keep a clean sheet, and it's very good that we did so. And if we build on this, I think we will do well.
And lastly, being the captain of this under 17 team, tell me how it feels to be able to lead out your nation.
It's always an honor to lead any national team, whether it's the youth or the senior team. It's an honor, and I think I did my part.
All right, good game.
All right, thanks.